Welcome to This Explainer. Today, we're diving right into the foundational mechanics of early reading by focusing on just one incredibly powerful vowel, the letter O. You know, it's a shape we all recognize, but its role as a linguistic building block, well, that is exactly what we're going to unpack today.
So, are you ready to see how a single vowel shapes the words we use literally every single day? It all starts with understanding that specific, rounded sound of O and how it acts as the absolute anchor for countless word families. Let's get into it.
Section 1. The OT word family, blending sounds together.
This whole process relies on three simple steps. We start with the consonant P, add our anchor vowel O in the middle, and finish it off with a T. By blending these individual phonemes, P, O, T, we seamlessly construct the word pot.
Now, the true power of this framework, it lies in substitution. If we take POT and just swap that initial P for an H, the meaning shifts instantly. Boom, we've created hot. It's honestly like a linguistic magic trick.
As our source material points out with the phrase, pew, that's warm, altering just one single consonant completely shifts our mental image from a simple, everyday vessel to a steaming, hot surface.
And this momentum just keeps going through simple letter swaps. Toss in a C, and it gives us COT, a nice little place to rest. An R gives us ROT, representing decay. And a D, well, that gives us DOT. We just generated four completely distinct concepts simply by iterating on that very first letter.
Section 2. The OG word family, into the forest. We're going to begin this phonetic sequence with D, O, G. Blended together, we establish the very familiar word dog.
Let's apply our substitution method again. Swapping that D for a J creates JOG, giving us jog. Notice how it's a completely seamless transition from a noun to a verb using the exact same vowel-consonant base. Pretty cool, right?
This pattern easily constructs an entire environmental scene. An L creates a log, an F rolls in the spooky fog, and an H introduces a hog. The OG sound essentially paints a complete forest picture for us, word by word.
Section 3. The OP word family. Time to move. For this one, the phonetic sequence is T followed by O and P. Blending these core sounds gives us top. Now, swap the T for an H, and we immediately get hop, introducing some dynamic movement right into our vocabulary framework.
Introduce a P to the front of our OP family, and we get the incredibly satisfying onomatopoeic word pop.
And the functional utility of this keeps going. An M gives us MOP for cleaning the floor, and a C gives us cop for someone helping everyone out. With just 3 structural letters, we've unlocked an entire category of action and utility.
Section 4. Rapid fire fun. You are reading machines.
When we place these word families side by side, a really clear structural pattern emerges. The letter O acts as the central pillar, holding distinct phonetic groups together across multiple sequences. It's absolutely the glue for all these words.
Running through the OD family, we see cod, pod, rod, nod, and sod. This kind of rapid repetition perfectly cements the phonetic rule in our minds. Next up is the OB family, which showcases incredible meaning and variety. We've got Bob, Cobb, Mob, Rob, and Sob.
Finally, the OX family rounds this whole thing out. Box, fox, pox, and socks. That's 4 very different concepts, all sharing the exact same vowel-consonant foundation.
Section 5. The reading superstar, victory. 30. Yep, that is the exact number of distinct words we've constructed today using just one core vowel as a starting point. Talk about doing some heavy lifting. This entire approach perfectly illustrates how foundational literacy is built. By identifying the anchor vowel and blending the surrounding consonants, a learner is equipped with the tools to decode vast amounts of text completely organically.
We've seen how a single letter O can act as the linchpin for dozens of words, entirely altering meanings with the shift of just one single consonant. So if one vowel holds this much architectural power, how does the integration of the rest of our alphabet reshape the way we process human language? That's definitely something to think about. Keep exploring, and I'll catch you next time.